How spicy foods can help you live longer. Did you know that your love for spicy food might actually be contributing to a longer, healthier life? It's not just about the thrill of the burn. Science is revealing some fascinating connections between spicy foods and longevity. Let's dive into the fiery details. The key ingredient in most spicy foods is capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their heat. But capsaicin is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a bioactive compound with a range of potential health benefits. Capsaicin interacts with receptors in our bodies, triggering various physiological responses. These responses are what researchers believe contribute to the positive health outcomes associated with spicy food consumption. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, so finding ways to mitigate its risk is crucial. Several studies suggest that spicy foods, particularly those containing capsaicin, may play a protective role. Capsaicin has been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. It can also improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation, all of which are beneficial for cardiovascular health. One study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that people who consume chili peppers regularly had a lower risk of cardiovascular mortality. This suggests a direct link between spicy food intake and heart health. The potential anti-cancer properties of capsaicin are another exciting area of research. Studies have explored its effects on various types of cancer cells, including prostate, breast, and colon cancer. Capsaicin has demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells in laboratory settings. It can induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancerous cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. While more research is needed to confirm these findings in human trials, the preliminary evidence is promising. Spicy foods may offer a complementary approach to cancer prevention and treatment. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall health and longevity. Spicy foods might be a helpful tool in your weight management arsenal. Capsaicin can boost metabolism and increase fat burning. It can also help reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness, leading to lower calorie intake. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that capsaicin supplementation increased energy expenditure and fat oxidation in participants. This suggests that spicy foods could contribute to weight loss and maintenance. While the potential benefits of spicy foods are exciting, it's important to consume them in moderation. Excessive intake can lead to digestive discomfort, such as heartburn and stomach upset. Individual tolerance to spicy foods varies greatly. Start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake as your body adapts. Also, remember that spicy foods are just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to health and longevity. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are all essential. The science is clear: spicy foods, thanks to capsaicin, offer a range of potential health benefits, from improving heart health and aiding in cancer prevention to assisting with weight management. While not a magic bullet, incorporating spicy foods into your diet could be a delicious way to support your overall well-being and potentially extend your lifespan. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your favorite spicy dishes? Are you inspired to add more spice to your life? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health tips, and share this video with your friends who love a little heat. For more in-depth information and research links, check out the description box below. Stay spicy, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.